What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're going to take a look at Aerodrome Finance here on the 22nd of August. Aerodrome Finance had a massive move last night. We caught it live here on the MicroFuturesTrader YouTube channel. It was pretty cool to catch it live. Pure luck, 100% luck, right time, right place. Market was up about 8%. From being flat. Aerodrome Finance, guys, made a new high yesterday, a new recent local high. We took out our highs over here from $1.48 that were put in on the 15th of August. We hit a high last night of $1.49. We have a little bit of a problem level here, still acting as market resistance. That level is $1.39. We made a new high. We reversed, not surprised. We had the rest of the markets kind of just sitting flat. I don't know what's going to happen today here. We got some Jerome Powell stuff coming out at some point. I don't know what time that is. Could have been this morning at 8:30. Could be at 2:30. I'm not sure when that news comes out. So we'll expect some volatility here today. If we go to the 3-minute time frame here on Aerodrome Finance, we have, you can see here, is that explosive move to the upside. Boom. Blasted above 139, hung out for a while, flipped it into market resistance once again, right here. Back tested that breakout, and we're rallying up here a little bit. So who knows what will happen here, guys, but we still have, well, what we do know is we have $1.39 still holding the price back. So again, hey, hopefully we rally here today. It's Friday. I'll take a rally. And if we do, 149 is our high. Next level, guys, for an upside target is $1.53 and $1.57. Getting some questions in the comments. Should I buy now? When are we going to break out to $6? A lot of things come into play. Depends how the rest of the markets do. If the rest of the markets continue to rally, then yeah, sure, we'll be back up here to 238. Maybe it's a couple weeks. I don't know a time frame. I don't have a time frame. It depends on, again, what the rest of the markets do. We have resistance here. Just understand that at that $1.57 area. It was resistance, turned it into support, and then flipped back into resistance. And we're approaching that now. So again, we've made a big move. So the reaction we're getting is very, very normal. Bitcoin looking a little bit questionable right now. Let's go look at that chart. $1.39 for Aerodrome. Keep an eye on that. That's our resistance level for the AERO chart. We have an important level here at 111,902. Bitcoin broke below that this morning. Now, if Bitcoin rallies from here, it could get itself out of trouble. But this is telling us that if you have a probabilities here, probabilities of us going lower have now flipped of us going higher. Again, it could get itself out of trouble here if it rallies. But just understand, Bitcoin's playing with fire right now. Something that gives me a little bit more hope is that this area, this 111,902 area, happens to be an old area of resistance, broke into support, and it's getting back tested. So this just could be a back test. But this level, it's playing with fire here. The probabilities, like I said, are higher for us now to tumble lower than they are to rally here. But like I said, this is an old area of resistance, flipped into support, back tested once. The question is this just a back test, or are we going to enter a downward trend here? Couple unknowns. We're just doing the best we can here. That's Bitcoin. BTC dominance is looking like it wants to make another lower low. We're looking for 58.5. That's short term. Right about here is what we're looking for. Maybe we'll get that break today. Whenever that news comes out. Again, I don't know what time that news comes out. On the right-hand side of the screen, the CMC Altcoin Season Index. We're at a 43. Kind of just hanging out here at a 43. Let's go check out the Fear and Greed. The cryptocurrency Fear and Greed Index. That is the wrong indicator. So I want to welcome all of the new subscribers to the channel. Appreciate you guys. We got some technical difficulties here. Let's see if this can work here. We have, here we go. We have markets moving higher. We just got a pump to the upside. We have Bitcoin dominance tumbling live here on the channel. Sorry about this for having some slowing down of the computer here. We're at a 46. 46. We're still at that, just below the neutral zone. Let's see what's going on here with the AERO chart before we wrap the video up. A little bit of a pop to the upside. We have XRP just popped to the upside, and we'll go back to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin just took off, heading in the direction that we would like to see. Again, we were just talking about this. It could get itself out of trouble here, especially if we start taking out yesterday's highs, getting us back up towards that 116 area. Guys, that's going to wrap it up. Of course, not financial advice. Aerodrome Finance currently up 6.28%, $1.39. Let's break that. Let's take out our $1.45, I believe, or 49 high, taking us up to 153. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. All links are always down below. Have a great Friday.